Welcome to the American Dream, Lifestyles of Hawaii. I'm Cathy Possedi, and today we're in the brand new residential community of Kaʻulu by Gentry, made up of single-family homes and townhomes by developer ʻEwa by Gentry. Today we're at the sales office where there's 6 models to look at, and we get to preview 2 of them. So come join me as we take a look inside. Inside the single-family homes at Kaʻulu by Gentry, you'll find good space, bright open living areas with soaring 9-foot ceilings and durable luxury vinyl plank flooring. The kitchens are thoughtfully designed. Primary bedrooms feature generous walk-in closets, while quality fixtures and modern finishes add a contemporary touch throughout. And with today's technology already built in, these homes are made for today's connected lifestyle. Prices start in the mid-900,000s. The townhomes at Kaʻulu offer a more affordable and comfortable option for modern living. With open layouts, contemporary finishes, and low-maintenance design, these homes are ideal for those looking for convenience without sacrificing style or space. There are also reserved housing units which can offer a great alternative to renting. Prices start in the low 600,000s. Kaʻulu offers a relaxed lifestyle in one of West Oʻahu's most desirable and growing communities. Next, just down the road is Coral Crater Adventure Park. I can't wait to show you this fun outdoor adventure right here in West Oʻahu, so stay tuned. We're with Mike Bermea, General Manager at Coral Crater Adventure Park. Hi, Mike. How are you doing?
Hey, Kathy.
Lovely, lovely sunny day today.
Beautiful, right?
Right. So tell me about this Jurassic-looking Coral Crater Adventure Park.
Yeah, so Coral Crater started about 2016. Towards the end of 2016, we really got into our stride in 2017. So we're about 9 years old now. We have a whole slew of activities here. We have ziplining, a total of 6 lines, ranging from about 300 feet all the way up to 1,000-foot tandem side-by-side line. And then as you can see, we're standing on the Adventure Tower, which is a high ropes course up to 60 feet tall with over 19 obstacles. Wow. 2 rock walls.
Do you add to this periodically, or is this it?
We do change it from time to time. And as far as things that change at the crater here, that has to do a little bit more with our ATV section. Our course does change quite often. And we're always adding in new activities and different trails.
So is there anything new that's coming on board soon?
Yeah, actually we have our pit bike adventure, which is miniature dirt bikes. They're all electric, very beginner entry level. However, you will be able to ride a real track, motocross style track, but very beginner level, so anybody can come and try it.
Sounds like fun. Anything other than the adventure part of it that you guys have here?
Yeah, so at night, another business that actually operates on site is our Luau, and it's another business called Malka Luau's, and they put on a phenomenal show. Some of the best fire dancing you'll get to see on all of the islands.
Nice. So you said ziplining. I heard the ziplining is really cool here. Can we try it?
Absolutely. Let's get it.
Awesome. Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna have you go ahead and step into the innermost loops, 1 foot blue, 1 foot black, facing me. And then you're gonna reach down, grab those 2 black outer straps, chuck those over your shoulders like a backpack. All right, go ahead and throw this on. I'm gonna go ahead, throw some heavier metal on you. This is just for me and her to touch, so just don't mess with it, just kind of for your general safety, okay?
All right.
All right.
From the thoughtful design homes at Kaʻulu by Gentry to this fun outdoor Coral Crater Adventure Park, the city of Kapolei has much to offer. Mahalo to Gentry Homes for allowing us a sneak peek into their model homes, and for Mike and his crew for showing us the ropes. I'm Cathy Possedi. Till next time, mahalo and a hui ho.